Stop by and take a look at the 2018
Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, trip computer, power locks, compass, security alarm, fog lights, electronic stability control, power convenience group, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, Uconnect hands-free group, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.